It's really just a fun car.
And for those who didn't understand that, make long go wide fit.
I don't know if I'd take you on in the garage just yet. But. Wear trousers.
Good clap.
Yeah, always start with
a solid
clap. Yeah.
Welcome back to Motor Addicts. As you can see, we've dragged the Mazda back out again, groaning under the weight of Stu currently. We've decided on a third time that we're going to finally do something with the Mazda. It's kind of nearing its beautiful final development, would you say?
Like a butterfly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Fully out of chrysalis.
Like a flower.
It's spreading its wings.
Spreading something.
So tonight we've got some bits and bobs to do. We're going to show you that in a minute. Stu, you'll be taking full advantage of that?
Totally.
Amazing.
Oh, yeah.
So what we've got tonight, we've got
auxiliary belts to put on.
Yep.
So the battery's going to charge when the engine's running. Wheel spaces.
Yeah. Big thanks to insert name here, because I've forgotten, for sending them, because I said to him, if you don't send them in 2 days, I'm not interested in buying them, and amazingly got them there in like the next day.
Oh, yeah, straight away. Yeah.
So fair play to insert name here.
That's a funny name for a company, isn't it?
It's an interesting Google.
Yeah, well.
And I'll do the full Owen. We'll put the link in the description below.
No, it's in the YouTube below.
In the YouTube below. So yeah, amazingly tonight, the Mazda may be able to charge and run and not look so gappy.
Oh, it's gappy. I don't think that's really
by the end of the night.
It will do. I'm going to cut more bits
and
you're just not going to know about it.
Amazing. And more importantly, we're going to book a track day tonight. Woo! That's right.
Yeah.
This thing, a track, and this skillful team. So yeah, let's get going.
Okay.
So, a load of you guys enjoyed last time my parts description of what we've got and what we've got to do to the car. So I'm doing it again without stuff being thrown at me, please. So, we start off with one belt. It's not a bad belt for the alternator. Fuck! I told you none of the throwing of. Bear in mind these are no. Don't throw the blade. 35mm spacers because it's not wide enough. We'll give it a shot.
Oh, that poor bonnet. Okay, so I've been trying to message Owen. I don't know much about.
As if I don't reply.
Yeah, I don't know much about these kind of things and ordering things and that kind of stuff. So I sent over his stuff and he was like, "No, that's 5-stud. You want 4-stud or something like that."
4x100, and yeah, that's it.
What's the PCD of that?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know what the PCD is. Pretty sure that's a drug that was taken in the 80s.
Yeah.
Moving on. So I took it upon myself, and the wonderful company Freaky Parts were very good.
Who delivered? Bang on, actually. To be fair.
Yeah, I can't diss them at all. So I'm quite excited because.
Never cut towards yourself. What's up with that?
Oh, I'm all right. I wanted to order 25mm spaces. It obviously needs quite a bit of spacing, but unfortunately, for me and my bank balance, he only had 35mm as a set 4.
That's still cool.
So, okay, instructions. I'll be needing them.
Yep.
So, oh look, well packaged. They need to be because they've been thrown around a bit.
This. Yeah, exactly.
So, what are they called again? Freaky Parts. Guys, out of the action.
Don't get in the way of the escort or anything, but.
No, things have happened already.
See, and you had to go at me last time.
Well, I didn't fully dismember the.
Dismember?
Yeah, I went to university. I didn't dismember the end of the tool, did I?
Well,
I'll just.
I can see it.
Well,
I'm not telling you where it is.
Well, you're just in that mood tonight, aren't you, Stuart?
Well, I'm not happy. You've just thrown a set of bloody spacers at me.
Yeah, but.
And you think that's acceptable?
There are.
Do you think that's acceptable?
I think the viewers will find it very acceptable because you're a bit of a buffoon.
You were going to.
Been here, yeah?
You were going to swear then, weren't you?
I was. And is a permanent. Oh, I can see by this arrangement, that is the inside, that is the outside.
He's a genius.
On she goes. No issues at all, probably. Wait, hang on. Job done.
Yeah?
We're going to be out of here by like, it's now 7, I reckon 7:30.
What, and do the belt as well?
Well, if you weren't just watching me.
Oh, hell no.
Right. He said something about these, didn't he? Don't know what he said.
Right.
I wasn't really listening, I was thinking more confident. Hello.
Hi. Right, so
Where's the blade gone?
Little tip for you. Well, I've already opened it. I've already opened it. One end.
Story time with Owen.
Well, I've got plenty of stuff. That's a bit premature, isn't it? Right, so
Nearly dropped it all, didn't
what we
I?
need to do here, guys, just if you are going to do this and you want to put spacers on your car, Loctite the buggers on, because I've seen it happen. They come loose, people don't tighten them up properly and they don't Loctite them. So what you don't want is your wheel to be tight against the spacer, but the spacer to come away from the hub. So what we're going to do is put, Nick, if you'd give me some social distance, please, sir. No, I'm going.
Oh, you're going to go over there?
Threads, yeah. Right, so we're just going to put a little dribble of this here.
On the rust?
On the thread to stop the nut from backing off. This is green Loctite. Loctite comes in green, red, and blue, I think. America. So, yeah, sorry. Right. So now, when we put that on there, we need 4 nuts. These nuts. Here.
I feel he's taken my...
I may have taken your job.
Taken my job.
I may have taken your job, but I'm just.
At least it's getting done properly.
Yeah, well, I'm just trying. The thing is,
guy.
if we're telling people how to do stuff, it needs to be
I feel
done.
like a little gremlin under here.
You are the troll. You cross my palm with silver.
I'll stick with spaces and I'll be happy.
Right, okay. So now I'm going to gun this on because it's going to go way tighter than what the actual specific torque is going to need to be.
Are you
And
not
this
doing
isn't
it to
wheel.
torque spec?
I'm doing it to the torque spec. There you go. That's one of the torque specs. But now we've got Loctite on there. It's green Loctite, so it's like, as I said, it's like the super tough stuff.
So is it like
Industry standard.
green stuff pads, red stuff pads, yellow stuff pads?
Oh, very
No.
good, Stuart.
Thank you.
As you do that,
Second,
a lot of the Mazda's coming away.
yeah, it will do. Right, the
I noticed it's
second,
got a bit of Mazda there.
second thing you need to check when you're fitting stuff like this, taking into account how much thread you've got in the wheel nut and how much thread needs to be taken up to hold the wheel on.
4 turns.
Well, no, here
3
it is, right?
turns.
So, no, there is an industry standard,
5
right?
turns.
So, no, Nick, right? So, the industry standard, and as I understand it, is that as long as you have the diameter of the bolt or nut, stud, whatever, that you're winding into the thread, as long as you have the width in diameter in millimeters through, so I think this is a 10 mil
Ooh,
stud.
very clever.
So as long as it's 10 millimeters through, you should be able to apply the correct amount of torque. Every nut and bolt should have a torque like a threshold anyway, but...
Doesn't he sound
it's
like he knows what he's doing? Okay, so you're going to cut all Owen stuff out, are you? I've just done all this. I've used green Loctite.
Correct.
I told you, didn't I?
Yep.
Wasn't I telling you about
Yeah,
that
you told me.
before? So I've done all that now. That's all me. And then I'm just going to put this on. Just going to. Is that the right? No, it is. Yeah. 7. Okay, there we go. And that's it. So, Owen, next time you need to know, just give us a shout.
I'll come to you, right?
Give us a shout. Because I've got this shit locked down now.
This looks no better. Anyway.
This is locked down better than London was during April.
You will see. Alright, it doesn't look great. I'm going to have a look at the other side.
Is the other side?
Trust me, Daddy.
Worse.
Go on, have a look. Come on now.
If it helps, I mean. Bugger. Great. And then you go diagonal.
Correcto.
Why is the mechanic world so loud?
It is really loud.
It's a very loud place.
Go on, bugger it. Go for it. This was talked to the recommended specification.
Oh. Right, Stuart's. He's learnt from me. And. Oh, there he goes, look.
Already fucked it.
He's learnt from me, and he's going to do his own thing now. See, I did a bit of that and all. That's a bit of that. What's going through you? I mean, he's quite a thinker, Stu. Oh, there we go.
Clumsy, mate.
That's what I meant. I meant to say clumsy, didn't I? Not thinker. He's quite clumsy. Doesn't say a lot. He's getting stuff done.
Nice, dude.
That is a bold approach to getting the wheel nut out of that. Oh
I
God.
can't see you being on the shop floor anytime soon.
If that the Escort is behind you, just so you know.
Yeah.
Why is this so stupid? Honestly, is it not a different size?
Focus on the
Or where they
Escort
come
for a moment
off?
while this
How
happens.
good is that look?
She's dirty, absolutely filthy at the moment. But what a looker. Look at those
What a girl.
wheels, look at the darn wheels.
Mate. Pending video soon. Is he done? Yeah. There we go.
Do not drop that wheel on my car.
Need this little bottle here.
And what colour Loctite is that?
Drops.
What colour Loctite is that?
Well, actually, it comes out blue.
I think you're colourblind.
Well, what cut?
Actually, he is colourblind.
Seriously.
It could be blue, actually. Oh! Quick, Stuart!
What?
That was incredible.
Social distance rolling, you see.
How did that not
Little dribble. No, not the...
stack it?
What?
Do you know what?
What's
Well, they ain't
what's happened
coming
now?
off, are they?
No, that's
I've got to drive the thing.
Well, we're all driving it. It's not motor stew addicts.
Because you didn't bolt it on yet.
Oh, I thought it sticks.
Amazing. Oh wow, we're on. Yeah, he has no affiliation with us, and his views are his own. Look at this. Problem. I'm gonna fall over. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Friction.
Is it as good as nail glue? Like fingernail glue?
Is that like now 64?
No, I had.
I've got now 16
I-
at home.
Have you?
Actual now 16.
I had a 309.
16.
I had a 309.
Oh, story time with Stu now.
And I stuck
Pull up a pew.
the spoiler on with fingernail glue. And
Wow.
it never came off.
Do you know what's the worst thing about that?
That entire story.
Yeah. The beginning, middle, and end.
I just don't get you. You hard work.
You're doing a sterling job though, Stuart.
I know I am, mate. Thank you. I'll teach you.
The close combos.
I know. Can we just... I'm going to start down low. So, he's come from work.
Winkle pickers and all.
Come from work. I just walked into
He's
the
come from work.
I sell them, I don't fix them, yeah? Remember,
Put that on your next advert.
I sell them, I don't fix them.
You love manual labour, don't you?
No.
Don't you love manual
You know
labour?
what? Unless it's breaking something. I don't like fixing things.
You're
If
so
it's breaking
good. But you're so
something, like-
good at it. You have a natural ability.
For example, that spot of rust. I like doing that. I don't like fixing things.
Well,
It's alright, you'll pass it for an MOT, won't you?
It's on my card to hear this sort of language. There you go. Don't you listen.
are we nearly done yet? 7 minutes.
Shut up, helmet.
Get a gun on it, falling asleep here. Wrong size.
Oh God. I love the down wrong side. Come on, mate.
Right. Yes. You fucking. Oi, that's my gun.
And with that,
Fixed.
back to the studio. Good.
Sorting.
It hasn't got a flat.
Mate, I pumped it up earlier. It's got flat.
Okay. But there's loads of tread on that tyre.
I don't care about the tread. It's got flat.
You can't race without tread.
You can't race without air.
That is a very
Yeah,
good point
thank
also.
Oh, wicked. Yeah.